Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, leaving you frustrated and unsure of what to do? Don't panic, you're not alone. And in this video, we're going to reveal 3 powerful solutions that can get your device back to normal quickly. These methods are effective and can save you from expensive repairs. First up is the simplest solution, the force restart. This quick fix can often resolve temporary glitches that cause your iPhone to freeze. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This method is like a quick reset for your device and is the first step you should try. It's fast, easy, and can make a huge difference. 2. Restore. Using iTunes. If the force restart doesn't resolve the issue, your next option is to use iTunes. This powerful software can help you restore your iPhone, effectively reinstalling the operating system. By connecting your device to your computer and accessing iTunes, you can trigger a recovery mode that allows you to restore your phone. This method is particularly useful for addressing deeper software problems that prevent your iPhone from booting properly. Just remember to back up your data beforehand, as this process will erase everything on your device. 3. Use iMyFone FixPo. Now, if you're looking for a user-friendly and effective solution, iMyFone FixPo is your best bet. This powerful tool is designed to fix various iOS issues without the risk of data loss. Just install FixPo, connect your iPhone, and select Standard Mode. Follow the prompts to repair your device effortlessly. This solution not only addresses the problem but gives you peace of mind, knowing your important data is safe. By implementing these solutions, you can effectively tackle the Apple logo issue. If one method doesn't work, don't hesitate to try the next. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with anyone who might be struggling with the same issue.